We are now doing some cleaning at Leslie's house because we're expecting guests tomorrow. So we said, where's all the cleaning stuff? We use Clorox wipes. Okay.
Excellent.
And then for the toilet, Leslie said, oh, there's a wand. A wand? Is this Harry Potter or what? So she said, in the bathroom cleaning. So it's in the blue box, she said. So in the blue box, I pull this thing out. And I'm going, this is a wand? Okay. Yeah, well, there's an attachment. So you have to have the... So, I think...
Put it on the right way.
There we go. And then, I think that's the eject button. Okay. And now I'm supposed to clean the toilet with this.
Oh, I see water ending up in your face, but let's see how that works.
I don't know what it's got. Hang on. Where's the instructions? Maybe I'm supposed to just swish it around. Oh, I think you're supposed to flush the toilet and give it a...
I thought you put it on. Isn't there a button or something like this?
That's the eject button.
Oh, that's just the eject button.
That's the eject button. So I think this is what we do. I think. And we kind of
Is there any soap coming out of there? Oh yeah.
It's got blue stuff. It's inbuilt. So there we go. We are now cleaning the toilet with a wand. Maybe we should get one of this.
Oh, I tell you, how much are they?
Yeah. I hope I don't lose the end. Oh boy.
Oh, that's a super clean toilet. It smells already very Cloroxy.
Well, yes, we have to do the outside, so...
You like that, don't you?
love visiting friends.
Yeah. We get to see the modern way of cleaning toilets. We do it still with a toilet brush, we admit that. And with a cloth, the old-fashioned way, but it's...
And then you just eject it. How about that? Done. I presume we have to wash.
Now you can Clorox the rest of the toilet.
Yes.
I'm going to take some photos of the kids cleaning them.
Okay.
Video, Zach. Are you cleaning or not? Are you done already? No? Well, see? Zach is stalling because he's afraid of losing against me in the Wii Soccer. I have never played it, but apparently he's the champion of the house here. You're gonna beat me, yeah. Well, you beat me yesterday. That looks bloody clean.
I cleaned that one down there.
Yeah, I can see that. That looks good.
Really?
There's Mum cleaning.
Charlotte, save me.
This is Charlotte's way of cleaning up.
Wow, why are you taking a video of people?
Because it's funny. It's all these modern household things we haven't seen in 10 years. Nice orangey. What brush?
Can I use this in the bathroom? This is a Hoover. Oh no, yeah, can I use this in the bathroom or?
But
which real one?